What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with a decent, honest wallet review. I'm reviewing the decent cold storage wallet for many crypto coins out there. And maybe you are new to crypto, because I have a lot of new subscribers that are new to crypto, and you probably don't understand what a cold storage wallet is and why you should own one. Well, if you've seen what recently been happening with KuCoin and other exchanges, you got to understand that your coins on Coinbase and these other exchanges, you don't actually own the coin because they can shut down. And it's kind of like a store, right? When you buy groceries at a store, you don't keep it there. You bring it home. So that's what a cold storage wallet is, because you're gonna have full custody of your coins in crypto by having the private keys. And you might be saying like, well, what about Decent or the company, right? Do they have any part of it? No, Decent is just, they create the cold storage wallets. But when you get the wallet and you set it up in the beginning in a very secure manner, you get the private keys. And those private keys, you are the only person in the world that knows those. You got to protect those and write it down. Do not have it in a digital manner. Write it down physically. And you will have self-custody of your coins using the Decent wallet. So just remember that. And getting started here in this review, I'm going to tackle a lot of topics like security, the user interface, the variety of coins, and as well as the price of the wallet, which I'm going to get started here with first. And if you guys use my link in the description or pinned comment below, just click on the link and you'll have the big discount. And if you wanted to put in the code manually, which is Sir Lewis 20, you just click right here on which one you want. And now when you go to the cart, you're gonna see that it's already $20 off. But with my discount, it's gonna go from $139, as you can see right here, $139 to $111, which is a pretty big discount right there, especially compared to other cold wallets. And by the end of the video, if you are convinced that you want one based on the topics and the review that I give you, you can definitely check it out using my special link below. Now let's get started here with the first topic for the Decent wallet, which is the user interface. And as you can see, they basically state right here on their homepage, the most easy and safe hard wallet. And they actually have 3 wallets in one app, and they let you use the biometric wallet, the card type wallet, using the app. And that's gonna bring me right here to their app. Right, their app is great. I've used it before. I love how they have this pie chart right here. It gives you like a big view of your entire portfolio of all the coins that you have and every type percentage based on that app. So it's a great app, honestly. And you can easily manage it with the wallet. Just like this said right here, you get a clear view of your crypto portfolio, including your holdings, transaction history, and market value as well. The app is available for iPhone and Google right there. And the UI is optimized to send and receive. So they make it very simple on the app and the UI overall. It's intuitive, practical UI design makes it easy to send and receive crypto assets instantly with no hidden fees. So if you think they have hidden fees, they do not have any hidden fees that's like to their company or anything like that. So no hidden fees. The only fees are the network fees, which they state right here, which are the fees based on the blockchain for that blockchain. What's amazing too is that they support network domain names. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen like domain names.eth, right? You can see that they also support that, which makes sending crypto or receiving it very, very simple. You can also use QR codes to receive or to send, which is amazing because it's just super convenient. Instead of having to copy and paste, you can use a QR code and as well check transaction with ease. What's awesome about the wallet too is that they have an NFT tab on their app where you can check your NFT collectibles on your wallet. And one of my favorite parts about their app is the Insight tab, which they basically share you live prices here from CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, which is super accurate data. And the best part about their UI is that you can easily manage your crypto on your cold storage wallet, which a lot of cold storage wallets out there do not let you easily manage it, especially with an app. And here you can swap, you can buy, you can send, you can do a lot of things using the app, of course connecting with the wallet. And the wallet is super easy to use. It's designed for one-hand use, and I used it before. It's super easy. It has 4-button layout, and the best part about this wallet is the biometric sensor, which a lot of wallets don't have. It's made for your finger, so you're the only one that can unlock it with the biometric feature. So overall, I love the UI. I honestly give it a 10 out of 10, especially with the app. It just makes it super easy and convenient, and the safety of the biometric feature feature, which we'll get to security in a bit, but the UI is amazing in my opinion. Now moving on to the next topic, which is native support for all assets. And I gotta be honest, they do support a really wide variety of coins and blockchains on Decent. They offer native support for over 3,000 coins and tokens and across 59 blockchain networks. And if you want to, on their website, they actually have this Decent supported coin list, which you can actually search your coins here and see if they actually support it. And they actually support a lot of coins that many big cold storage wallets don't support, like XDC and a couple other coins. And to go along with that, you're able to create up to 80 addresses, giving you the flexibility to store and manage all your crypto assets using a single cold wallet. This is amazing because a lot of wallets out there, I'm not gonna name any few, but a lot of them don't give you up to 80 addresses, which is a really good amount. Now moving on to the last and most important topic, which is the security. What is the security of this wallet? And as you can see right here, they have a certified secure chip. The Decent Biometric wallet uses a secure element chip, the EAL5 Plus, to store your private keys offline. Like I said, they store it offline, designed to resist physical and software attacks by hackers. So that is key right there. In this chip, I did a lot of research on this chip. It is super secure. And let's say someone steals your Decent wallet and they try to do a physical attack. Well, the chip is made so it basically self-destructs. The other great security feature, which I touched a little bit on, was the biometric sensor. It's a fingerprint authentication, provides an extra layer of security with an option to use a PIN code if desired. No one can unlock and validate transactions on your wallet but you. So this is great. And you can use your finger, right, any one of your fingers, to basically, validate transactions on the app, on your wallet. So this is a great feature that not many wallets out there have. Now what's amazing about Decent is that each time you power your hardware wallet, it automatically verifies the firmware authenticity to ensure the software is genuine. If it fails, the device stops working. So that is a great security feature because there might be hackers out there trying to go against this, and if it's not genuine, it will fail and the device stops working. And of course, when you generate your private keys, it generates it offline on your hardware wallet and keeps them encrypted inside the secure chip. Encryption makes it impossible to read your private keys. You want to protect your private keys, write them down physically, store it somewhere very safe that only you can find it. And there you guys go. That's the Decent wallet review. And honestly, my honest experience was this is an amazing wallet that's unique from others because it has the biometric sensor. It's super easy to use. It has an app, right? And it's super secure with all those security features, like I just said. Especially the time that we're living in where a lot of exchanges are being taken down and you do not want to hold your coins in an exchange and wait for it to be taken down and lose all your coins. You want to hold it and have the private keys just like this wallet, the Decent wallet. So definitely check it out. Again, I'll leave the links with the discount in the description and pinned comment. And if you want to enter manually, it is SirLewis20, which I'll also leave the code below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Peace.